Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on how to draw this snowflake, and the person I helped is having trouble with the cut order. This is just the interior part of that. If you didn't watch, this is part 2. So if you go to Windows, Dockers, and Objects, or older versions might say Object Manager, if you click on the outside, it's going to cut it like third from last. This really needs to be last because the other pieces were going to fall out. So the easiest way to do this and then put them into a particular order, like that's going to cut last. This one's going to cut first, so they're close together. If we will take the Smart Fill tool, set on any color and set your nudge factor just to get it off. And if we go move that over, and see I'm going in the order that I want it to cut, then I can left click, right click, and then I can take the outline again and move it over. I'm going to delete these. I don't need them anymore. So now this outline is the first cut. I want it to cut last. So I'm going to grab it with my left mouse button and put it right there. So now if we look, it's going to cut that. I'm holding down I'm going to hit the tab key. Well, I guess that doesn't work in this case. And then it's going to cut that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and then cut the outside. That is it's not that big a deal. Well, it is a big deal if your laser bit has got a little bit of a bow to it or a warp. But the timing isn't that big a deal, with the exception if you're cutting out 50 of these. You're going to save a lot of time for a minute. When the laser has to move from this one to this one and then down here and back, if it's going here, 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 they're ultimately a lot closer. But the main reason is to get this outside cut, the last cut. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.